was a young boy who lived in a small village near the forest. He would spend hours walking in the forest, looking for new animals and plants. One day, Tom found a rabbit who was injured. The rabbit had a broken leg and was unable to walk. Tom knew he had to help the rabbit. He carefully picked up the rabbit and took him back to his village. He asked his grandmother for help. She was a healer in the village and she knew how to help the rabbit. She examined the rabbit and found that his leg was broken. She gave Tom some herbs to put on the rabbit's leg and told him to come back in 2 days. 2 days later, Tom returned to see the rabbit. To his surprise, the rabbit's leg was healed and he was very happy. From that day on, Tom and the rabbit became best friends.